How to address 10 frustrations for beginner women to date men. Imagine stepping into the world of dating, only to find yourself entangled in a labyrinth of frustrations and mixed signals. What if I told you that these frustrations are not just random hurdles, but are woven into the very fabric of dating dynamics? Today, we're peeling back the layers on the most vexing challenges that beginner women face when dating men. Prepare yourself for a journey into the hidden trials of the dating world as we unveil the 10 frustrations that could make or break your romantic endeavors. Stay tuned until the end to discover the most profound challenge that many are too afraid to confront. Number 10. Men not being clear about their intentions. The answer: ask direct, open-ended questions early on to clarify the man's intentions and ensure both of you are on the same page. Number 9. Mixed signals from men. The answer: communicate openly and ask for clarity when you feel confused by mixed signals to avoid misunderstandings. Number 8. Men who play games instead of being straightforward. The answer: set clear boundaries and walk away from anyone who isn't straightforward about their intentions. Number 7. Difficulty in reading men's true feelings. The answer: pay attention to consistent actions rather than words, and have honest conversations to better understand his feelings. Number 6. Men who are emotionally unavailable. The answer: recognize the signs of emotional unavailability early and decide whether to address it directly or move on to protect your well-being. Number 5. Men who don't communicate their feelings. The answer: encourage open communication by creating a safe space for him to share his feelings, but understand that it's not your job to force him to open up. Number 4. Feeling like they're always the one making the effort. The answer: communicate your needs and expectations clearly, and seek a relationship where effort is balanced and mutually appreciated. Number 3. Men who don't take the relationship seriously. The answer: express your desire for a serious relationship early on and be willing to walk away if he isn't on the same page. Number 2. Men who are inconsistent with their behavior. The answer: address the inconsistencies directly and observe if the behavior improves. If not, consider whether the relationship is worth continuing. Number 1. Difficulty in finding men who match their values and goals. The answer: be clear about your values and goals from the start, and only pursue relationships with men who genuinely align with them. As we uncover these frustrations, it's clear that the path to a fulfilling relationship is fraught with challenges that test our resolve and understanding. But the most profound struggle? Finding someone who aligns with your deepest values and goals is not just a hurdle. It's the ultimate quest. It's a reflection of the quest for meaning and connection in our lives. Stay vigilant, stay true to yourself, and remember, the right person is not just someone who fits your world, but someone who walks beside you on your journey. If you want an in-depth guide on dating men, check out the link in the description.